សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាតោះមករៀនវិជ្ជាករខ្លីៗជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសជាមួយនឹងខ្ញុំ Unit 13 Be going to I'm going to live មេរៀនទី13 Be going to សម្រាប់អនាគត 1. We form sentences with be going to like this 1. យើងបង្កើតប្រយោគជាមួយនឹង be going to ដូចនេះ be going plus to plus infinitive យើងដឹងហើយតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹងទម្រង់របស់ be going to ដែល be យើងចែកចេញជា3មាន am ប្រើជាមួយនឹង I is ប្រើជាមួយនឹង he she it are ប្រើជាមួយនឹង we you they ហើយកិច្ចសព្ទទាំងអស់ដែលយើងប្រើដែលចូលនៅបន្ទាប់ពី to គឺត្រូវតែជាកិច្ចសព្ទទម្រង់ដើម It is going to snow positive ប្រយោគស្រប I am going to live he she it is going to live we you they are going to live negative ប្រយោគបដិសេធ I am not going to live he she it is not going to live we you they are not going to live questions ប្រយោគសំណួរ Am I going to start? Is he she it going to start? Are we you they going to start? 2. Note that we usually use the short form of be ចំណាំជាធម្មតាពួកយើងប្រើទម្រង់កាត់នៃ be They is going to live He's going to spend a week by the sea. 3. The negative short form is am not going to. 3. ទម្រង់ខ្លីនៃប្រយោគបដិសេធគឺ am not going to. Am not going to play tennis today. With he, she, it, there are two negative short form. ជាមួយ he she it មានទម្រង់កាត់នៃប្រយោគបដិសេធចំនួន2 he she it isn't going to come he she it's not going to come with you we and they there are also two negative short form ជាមួយនឹង you we ហើយនឹង they ក៏មានទម្រង់កាត់នៃប្រយោគបដិសេធចំនួន2ដែរYou we they aren't going to come. You we they not going to come. 4. We just be going to for the future. We just it. 4. យើងប្រើ be going to សម្រាប់អនាគតពួកយើងប្រើប្រាស់វា to talk about things we have decided to do in the future ដើម្បីនិយាយអំពីរឿងរ៉ាវដែលពួកយើងបានសម្រេចចិត្តត្រូវធ្វើនៅពេលអនាគត What are you going to do tomorrow? I'm going to visit pools in Brighton. Are you going to try? No, I'm going to take the train. To predict the future using information we know now. ដើម្បីទស្សន៍ទាយអនាគតការប្រើប្រាស់នៅព័ត៌មានដែលពួកយើងបានដឹងឥឡូវនេះ Look at the blue sky. It's going to be hot. I've eaten too much. I'm going to be ill. Look at the time. It's 2 o'clock. Days aren't going to come now. សូមអរគុណសម្រាប់ការទស្សនាវីដេអូសូមជួយចុច Subscribe Like Share និងរូបកណ្ដឹងទៅកាន់ Channel Dan Sreyoun ដើម្បីទទួលបានវីដេអូថ្មីៗសូមអរគុណ